It has been a tumultuous couple of years for our young people, from the isolation during the pandemic to the virtual learning and then the return to in-person classes and the violence in many of our city streets.
Yeah, it's a lot. And psychologists say it's no surprise our children are in crisis. Many school districts have seen an uptick in behavioral problems and fights as a result. We've been showing you a lot of those.
Yeah.
So what's being done to prepare our kids as they head back to class, and how can you help? Here's Delia Gonzalez.
Still enjoyed the experience.
Jordan Rouse is beginning his junior year at DC's Friendship Collegiate Academy on a high note.
I honestly just keep cool, positive vibes.
He's focused, a good student, and a good friend, especially when he sees his classmates struggling.
I sort of try to reassure them that everything's going to be okay. There's going to be, better days.
But even a firm foundation can be shaken.
I kind of get sort of anxiety because now I think it's so much violence going on.
A nationwide survey by MedStar Health shows nearly 90% of caregivers are concerned about their child's mental health.
The targets have changed and how our young people have changed, and being willing to make sure that we change in our practices to meet the needs of our young people.
Dr. Peggy Jones is the principal at Friendship. She says the high school is now implementing excursions and project-based learning, more extracurricular activities, counseling, small group sessions, and something she's calling the joy factor. And how do you spark joy in a child that's been through a lot?
We've kind of looked at joy as, number one, how we address them and making sure that they know that they're important, being able to teach them how to self-advocate for themselves and identify and know who to go to when they need help, and also them being able to advocate for each other.
Making sure students have a safe and successful start to the school year starts with conversations at home. So here's some advice for parents.
You give them a chance to talk about it and listen without trying to minimize or explain away or dismiss how they're feeling. Then you can move to problem solving. You can say, oh, I so hear you. I know it's really upsetting. I really empathize. And so what do you think we could do about it? How could we make it feel better to go to school?
Dr. Rita Nakashima Brock is a moral injury specialist studying the impacts of war on veterans. She now sees the same trauma affecting school children.
I think a lot of people are feeling moral distress right now. And if it doesn't get taken care of, it can actually descend into something pretty serious that wreck your life.
The doctor says families should practice mindfulness or belly breathing to help manage stress, so when students get to school, they can focus on learning and healing together.
Joy comes with knowing that I may be struggling, but there's other people here to help me and to walk along the way with me.
Delia Gonzalez, WUSA 9.
Love is a priority for so many schools, and we're having this conversation. If you'd like to learn more from our experts on helping your children manage stress, you can hear more from them on our WUSA 9 website and our WUSA 9 app.
I love what the principal said about the joy factor. We could all use that for sure.